Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. How to create your Gmail account without your phone number. So let's get started. Open up your Gmail account, tap on create account. For myself, enter your first name and your last name and then tap on next. Now you have to write your date of birth and your gender, either you're male, female, your month, your day and your year, and then tap on next. After filling that information, it will take you to this page. You have to write your username and then tap next. After writing your username, you have to set a password for you, a very strong password for you, and then tap next again. After putting all this information properly, you have to move forward and you have to read all the terms and conditions of Gmail and press yes, I'm in and you are in. Review your account information, press next, read these terms and conditions again and press I agree to all these conditions and terms, and your Gmail account will be activated. Thank you so much for watching the video and I hope you liked the video. By following these steps, you can make your Gmail account without your phone number easily and properly.